In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can stop incoming calls. Instead of calling on your phone number, you can simply just receive a message showing that someone wanted to call you. Then you either call them back or ignore. To do this, simply head into your phone dialer. Dial *21 *750100200 then hash. Whenever someone calls you, your number will always be busy and then you will receive a message showing that particular number wanted to call you. This allows you to call anyone but they can't call you. You can disable this at any time. I have shared a video link in the description on how you can disable this off. That's how easy it is to stop incoming calls. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.